So for me, one of the most important contributions of the project is the holistic approach that we will use to do marine restoration. In fact, we can understand this aspect with a very easy and useful metaphor or comparison. So if we go now out of the water to the terrestrial environment here in Canaries, we can understand, for example, the relationship between the pine forest with the laurel forest and with the palm forest. The three ecosystems cohabit and functioning in the same way. And this kind of approach is the approach that the Ocean City will do for marine restoration. So this kind of interaction of functioning at the same time, which is something I guess it has never been tested. So, and in fact, in 5 different sites across the world. So it's a very strongest effort, and I guess it will be a kind of reference tool for future marine restoration issues.